Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. This is the second lecture that I'll be covering on the subject advertising and sales promotion, and today the topic of our discussion is elements of effective advertising. So since we all know that nobody can guarantee a winning ad, right? Like when you are designing an advertisement, you cannot be sure whether that advertisement will bring you positive prospects or not. So the only way to know for sure is you'll have to test it. So but there are several elements that you can incorporate into your ad or sales later to give it a better chance of being a winner. So using these elements, you're going to check whether it will be effective advertising or a non-effective advertising. Okay, so there are a few elements about which we'll be discussing in our lecture. So the first element is smart ad placement that we'll be discussing. Second is focus on your objective. Third is irresistible offer. Then unique competitive advantage, advertorial style, compelling headline. So these are some of the elements about which we are going to study, and we'll go into details about these elements. Like in smart ad placement, this is the first step in positioning your ad for success, is increasing its chance of being seen by your target market. Okay, focus on your objective is you will never get what you want if you don't know what you want. So definitely before getting what you want, you will have to know what you actually want, then only you will be trying to get that, right? So this is true in your personal goals and also your advertising efforts. So you must have a specific objective for your ad if you want people to act. Okay, then irresistible offer, like if you have ever seen the okay, not only do you get the set of Ginsu knives, but also, okay, we will be coming to this in the next lecture. Then unique competitive advantage, like why should your prospect do business with you over any of your competitors? Like suppose you have placed an advertisement, now why should people come and buy your product or your service instead of using others product or service? So that is a kind of competition that you need to face, right? Then advertorial style, what kind of style you are adopting for advertising your product. Then sell the benefits, call to action, simple to respond, and accountability. So these are some of the elements. So in the next lecture that I'll be giving, we will be discussing in details about these elements of advertising. So this was just an introduction of what are the elements of effective advertising. So let's meet in the next lecture. Thank you.